Englishman in New York is a fantastic song which we can play with 3 chords for most of the song, and it's a simple fingerstyle number. We're going to be going for this very similar to how I've seen Sting play it in a video that we'll be checking out a little bit later in this video. And before we get started, I just wanted to introduce you to Apollo. He's just gone a little bit out of shot as he's snoozing on the floor. He's a dog that we're looking after just for a couple of weeks. He's not ours, but yeah, I wanted to give him his YouTube debut. Maybe he'll come round so the cameras can get him in a second. But let's make a start with learning this fantastic song. So the 3 chords we'll need to play most of this are an E minor 7, which just uses 1 finger, an A major, which in the video I'm referencing Sting plays with 1 finger just like this. This is kind of a pinch so that the thinnest string is ringing out, for example. And then B minor 7, played like this. We can play a B minor 7 like this. If the bar chord is going to give you any problem, this is absolutely fine. But in the video I'm referencing, Sting plays it like this. And then the picking pattern is thumb and. Basically per chord, there's just 1 variation to that. So the thumb's always playing the root note. For example, the E, the A, and then the B. And then we assign fingers 1, 2, and 3 to strings 2, 3, and 4 like this and play them together in a char, which was how I was taught in my first ever guitar lesson at school when I was 9 years old, this thumb char pattern. So it takes me back actually, but it kind of goes like this. So that is, in detail, root note with a thumb and we have a mute, but let me just give you the bare bones. We do the same thing on the A, and then it's twice on the B, but here it goes thumb, char, after we've done it once on the B. So as I was taught, thumb char, thumb char, thumb char, thumb char, thumb char. But I never really liked the thumb char thing when I was 9 years old, so thumb pluck, thumb pluck, thumb pluck, thumb pluck, thumb pluck. And it is that for most of the song. So let's do that together really slowly and try and get the mute between every pluck. That would be important. Join in 1, 2, 3, and. So that's 1 attempt with the muting. I'm resting my whole hand on the strings like this, but also if I can mute with this hand as well, like this. I'm not getting any percussive sound. I'm just showing you that the strings are muted. It's fine to do it with both hands. It's actually kind of a safety net, I guess. But you can be very loose with this once you've got in the groove with it. It's really cool. So let's do this 1 time and then we'll go for a quick strum through the verse and the chorus. Join in for a practice in 2, 3, 4. And if you were doing it the slightly easier way, you could play A major like this, and then B7 like this. That would be cool as well. For example, let me give you a quick strum through now, but we're going to be playing this along to Sting at the end of this video, which should be exciting. Let's just have a quick strum through so I can play it slowly for you. Join in if you wish in 2, 3, 4. I don't drink coffee, I drink tea, my dear. I like my toast done on one side. You can hear it in my accent when I talk. I'm an Englishman in New York. Oh, I'm an alien I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. So that's quite challenging because it's very syncopated. All of the Police stuff and Sting's solo stuff tends to be quite syncopated, but particularly stuff with the Police. Reminds me a bit of Arctic Monkeys' Alex Turner lyrics, actually, how much it's not following the rhythm of the riff, which is quite rare, actually. Most of the time it does. Hello, mate, did you like it? He's a fan? He's not a fan? Let's have a look at the next section now. I'm just getting it up. So we have a bridge in this song, and it uses the chords D major, A major, B minor, and F sharp. The final chords are G, A major, and then A sharp diminished 7. We're just going to play like this. It's basically an A7 with the A increase to the sharp. So not too, nothing to panic about basically, but a really cool pattern. Let me give you a quick playthrough of that so we can see, and then we'll learn it. Modesty, propriety can lead to notoriety. And then we got B minor to F sharp. Gentleness, sobriety are rare in this society. Here we go with the sharp to B minor. And then, of course, if you were doing B minor 7, you could have added that there. So A major, A sharp, B minor. So that's an option as well. One note here is that we're always changing the root note to whatever the name of the chord is. So the D root note for the D chord, A root note for the A chord. It's string 5 again for B minor, string 6 for F sharp, and I'm just following. So the D, I'm playing 1, 2, and 3, then 2, 3, and 4 for A and B, and also the G, but the thumbs go into string 6. I'll play it nice and slow so you can see. So D, A, B minor, same 3 strings but change the root note for the F sharp, G, A, A7, A sharp 7 diminished, back to B minor, and one play through that, and then we'll play along with Sting. 2, 3, 4. And then back to I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. I think that will do us. Now let's check out this video and we will see exactly how Sting plays it for ourselves. I'll keep this on screen. It also means that I don't have to sing along to it myself because I don't sound great singing this song. But this guy does. Let's play along.
It's a little loud, okay. That's nice.
Slight variation at the start there, but
this is Chris Bodie, everybody.
Imagine seeing this. Okay, we're ready to join in? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Whoa! Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Whoa! Don't drink coffee, I take tea, my dear. Like my toast on one side. You can hear it in my accent when I talk. I'm an Englishman in New York. You see me walking down Fifth Avenue.
Played it quite fast.
Walking king here at my side.
So cool. Such a good song.
Take it everywhere I walk.
What a voice.
I'm an Englishman in New York. Whoa, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. Whoa, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. Go ahead, Chris.
So same chords, and then we'll go to the bridge.
notoriety, and you could end up as the only one. Gentleness, sobriety, so there in this society, a light of candles brighter than the sun. Whoa, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York.
We got drums.
Whoa, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. Let's go again. Whoa, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. Whoa,
I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York.
How cool.
Thank you.
And there we go. So hopefully that's something you can do. You tell when he's playing it live how much faster he plays it because of the adrenaline, faster than the original recording, which is quite common, and how it's builds throughout with the band joining a little later on, but him starting off quieter at the start. And I never considered this one much of a sing-along number, but it really is. Listen to the whoa-ohs and stuff like that. Wonderful song. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know how you get on with that in the comments below. There's a link to my fingerstyle course down there as well, which would, if you're wanting to get these principles under your fingers, that's what I would recommend from the things that I offer. And I'll leave a couple of recommendations on screen now that I think you might enjoy.